Hello, this is Haydarker. I'm reviewing the Reserwa 12-volt wet dry vacuum cleaner for cars. So, as you can see, I actually opened it up a little bit so that we can see what it looks like. You have the filter area here and a small container for the dirt to come in and stay in there. Operation is pretty simple. You plug it into the lighter area. And it should be just good to go. And we're gonna test it in 1 minute just to see if it actually really works. Now, it comes with an upholstery brush and another upholstery extension tool, so you can plug it into the front of it and just suck up any loose items, small loose items. It also comes with a really long attachment here. And I think this is just to be able to get as far as you could possibly get. And again, I have not tried it yet, so I don't know. And this is most likely this is just for the plug it in into the front of it and being able to just to extend the operation. It also comes with this neat brush and for the front of the car, so that you can actually just dust off the vents. So it looks pretty cool. So let's see if it is actually gonna work out. So let's go into the car and see where we are at. So anyone would know, if you have a toddler, the car is gonna be a mess. There's no escape on that one. But if you have the right tools, you should be able to get every little stuff out of there. So, but for the purpose of the review, let's find out if we're going to be able to get at least the 12 pieces out. Alright, as you can see, got everything it needed. Try not to shake it. Apparently it just has a small leak, so for the small pieces of items tend to come off. So, but it does what it's supposed to do. That's what matters. Well, as I mentioned, the cleanup is definitely the best part. It's very simple and it's easy. And the reason I found out why it's actually not sealing fully is because of the weight of the stuff that's on there. And not to mention the fact that when you're actually shaking, it's a flap. The flap is actually moving back and forth. Hence, you actually get to have the small pieces escaping from there. But, which would tell you that you shouldn't be shaking that, as I did. But in the end, bottom line, it works. And it works as it's intended. It's doing what it's supposed to do. I'm satisfied with it. And I definitely recommend it. And thank you very much for watching this.